Good morning, YouTubers, and welcome to my channel. We'll start off today's ride with today's Bible verse, which is from Romans 8:28. Words of encouragement from the Bible. For we know that God causes all things to work together for good to those that love the Lord, to those that are called according to His purpose. Now this verse does not say that all things are good. Bad things happen to good people. Jesus told us that in this world we would have trouble and be persecuted. But it means that God can use all things, including bad things, to work together to fulfill His plan and for our good. Alright, well here we are again on an early Saturday morning. You're joining me right about where we were a week ago today. We headed back out to Cruiseman's garage, and we're going to take our second attempt at installing the BT-Moto ECU Flash Upgrade. If you saw my last video, you saw that we had some difficulties and were not able to install this last week. As I explained the process previously, this is a two-step process. In the first step, you download or read your current ECU file with the BT-Moto device. You hook that up to your computer and then send it into BT-Moto's headquarters, where they analyze it, create your new file, send that back to you, and then you have to upload that new file to your ECU. Since I'm still working full-time, Saturday or Sunday afternoons pretty much the only times I can go out and see Cruiseman to get his help with this. Alright, well I'm not going to make this a long introduction. I'll be back with you in just a couple seconds from your viewpoint when I get to Cruiseman's garage. Thanks for joining me again today. Okay, there we go.
So are you comfortable that you know the steps?
I think so.
Okay, well, let's pull out the new one and try it.
Okay.
I'll let you plug in the OBD.
Okay.
Okay.
We've got power.
Okay, that's good.
Now we turn the bike on. Well, there we go.
No, I think we do this first.
Okay.
Hit the work.
Brand.
I'll let you do that while I film. How's that?
That's perfectly fine. It already says Honda. Looks like this. GL 1800. There it is. Okay, then 18 to 23. Still don't have 24 on here.
No. Okay, got that.
Okay, we've done that. Switch dashboard. Switch on the dashboard. Check connections. Press OK to continue. So put it fully on.
And it's still not coming on
Wow.
with this thing plugged in.
Whoa, that's new. It didn't do that last
Not
time.
the
The first time we did it, it worked.
Yep.
So I wonder, that's interesting. Okay,
So
let's unplug it, reset, take off the
I wonder
negative.
if I just undo the negative.
Might
Put
work.
it back on if it might
It's
work.
worth a try.
Okay, just so everybody knows, what we've done is we've gotten to the step where we're supposed to switch on the bike. We've got everything plugged in, but it will not. The bike will not turn on. So,
Make absolutely sure that my key didn't get shut off somehow or other.
yeah.
Yeah, it was on. Key's definitely on now.
And if we turn the ignition,
That's interesting.
yeah, it is. Okay.
So cycling the fob.
Maybe it takes a while.
Maybe it takes a while, or maybe cycling the fob. Who
Yeah.
knows?
Somebody's messing
Okay.
with you.
I think so.
Then press OK.
Tom's bike is possessed.
It is.
I think.
It's starting communication. Switch off the dashboard to continue.
Okay.
Operation in progress.
And the next thing is we should see the version of your ECU. Please, okay.
Vehicle to stabilize battery. We've done that.
And I think you did have to do this a couple of times, didn't you?
I think so. I didn't have to press OK. It just started up reading it again. Switch off the dashboard to continue.
There we go. There's your 0906 flash underscore. We didn't get that far before.
No, we didn't. Okay.
Identification. Ooh,
ID or back.
I guess ID.
I would think so. Or
Okay.
please connect your vehicle to stabilize battery.
Or is it done? Do you think it's done?
Oh, please connect your...
I'm wondering if that didn't read it when it gave us that version number.
Might be right.
I don't remember from the video if they stopped at that point and went back.
I think maybe they did.
I think so.
Let me look at the instructions again.
Okay.
Real quickly. I've got them on my phone.
Because we may be finished.
Finished and not know it, Read to identification page, select identify and let the process complete. It should say complete at the end, so we're not done yet.
Okay. So what do we need to do? Just connect, okay, so I guess.
Disconnect your vehicle to stabilize battery in order to press OK. Switch on onboard dash. It's interesting it takes several cycles through
And I
this.
don't remember the, okay. Switch
Switch
off.
off the onboard dash. Task successfully completed. All right.
Good deal.
Okay. Now,
Okay, we got it to the point where it says task successfully completed. So the ECU map from Tom's bike should now be inside this unit. And I think now we hook it up to his computer and then upload that map to BT-Moto.
that's correct. Okay, this is the BT-Moto software that we used to download the file from the Flash Upgrade device to my computer. It's very important to note that you must have a Windows computer in order to run this software. Initially, I tried it on my Mac using Windows emulated on Parallels, and it did not work. The BT-Moto instructions clearly state that it will not run on a virtual machine. You simply connect the device using a provided cable to a full-sized USB port on your computer. After you've opened up this software, and it automatically will upload it for you. You simply have to follow the directions. After you've completed this step, you go to the BTMoto.com website and click Upload. There you follow these steps, you will have to fill out a questionnaire that requires quite a bit of information, including your tire size, current mileage, and also your VIN number. After completing all of that, I received a message stating that BT-Moto would analyze the file and return the upgrade file to me within 1 to 2 business days. The current plan is to return to Cruiseman's garage next Saturday morning to actually install the upgrade. Thanks for watching. Ride safely. See you again next week.